In this video, we will show you how to deposit cash into a SoFi account. If you guys want to get started with a SoFi account, you can use the links down in the description. First, locate a Green Dot retailer near you using the Green Dot website, or app. Common retailers include Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, and 7-Eleven. Then visit the Green Dot retailer and inform the cashier that you want to deposit cash into your SoFi account. Next, provide your SoFi debit card and the cash you want to deposit. A fee may be charged by the retailer, typically around $4.95 per transaction. The cash will typically be available in your SoFi account within a few minutes to a few hours. If you have linked an external bank account that allows cash deposits, you can deposit cash into that account first. Once the cash is in your external account, use the SoFi app to transfer the funds to your SoFi account. Buy a money order with cash from a retailer or post office. Then use the SoFi app to deposit the money order via the mobile check deposit feature. Simply take a photo of the money order and follow the instructions. Some Allpoint Network ATMs may support cash deposits. Use the SoFi app or website to find a nearby ATM that accepts deposits. So that's how to deposit cash into SoFi account. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with SoFi account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.